Hello and welcome to become a full stack web developer, beginner to advanced. My name is Joe Paris, the owner and founder of the Joe Paris Academy, where I'm now serving hundreds of thousands of unique students in multiple courses. My two co-teachers, Shahzeeb Kamal and Muhammad Javid, are going to teach you from scratch how to become a full stack web developer in this course. Now, in the very next lecture, Shahzeeb is going to go through everything that you're going to learn in this entire course. My co-teachers are expert web developers and have created multiple best-selling online courses for you, and they're going to do an incredible job teaching you step by step how to become a full stack web developer. Now, if you have any questions, make sure to drop your questions in the comments below, and also reach out to my co-teachers Shahzeeb and Muhammad. They are more than happy to help you. You can always send them a private message. Also, Udemy is going to be asking you for a review very early on in this course. We always appreciate your positive reviews because it helps this course and it helps each of us instructors with our instructor rating. So we always sincerely appreciate your review. Thanks guys for all of your support. Now enjoy become a full stack web developer from beginner to advanced.